today I just passed by this booth full of humanoid robotics, and I had the pleasure to talk with Thomas, who is in charge of Kyland. And hi, Thomas, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Could you briefly introduce your company and your humanoid robot to us?
Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Kyland. And Kyland is a global leading innovator in the area of industrial Ethernet technology, and it's the only company in Chinese mainland to be listed in the global industry Ethernet technology top 10. And today we are bringing the product of Intewell operating system, and now it's just running in the humanoid excitement. The Intewell operating system we have already developed it for 30 years. It has innovative elastic kernel architecture.
And could you introduce a little bit the scenario in which like these robots can be used?
As we know, in our PC or mobile phones, they are all powered by our operating system to manage the hardware resources, and also it provides a runtime environment for the applications. So in the industrial area, every calculating and the controlling job are played by the controller. And all the controller we have to run the operating system is already have been used in many areas like high-speed railways and subways, electricity, automobile, and medical equipment.
Right, right. So I think that is quite advanced, right? And third question would be, what is advantages like of your humanoid or of your products compared with the other humans? Because there are many humanoid right now in the market. But since you have a history of 30 years, maybe you have more experience. Yeah. Could you like elaborate a bit more?
Okay. It's a real-time operating system, has a ultra good performance in the real time. The critical missions have to be executed at the right time in the right way. So the task response time can be as short as 5 microseconds. That provides the possibility for all the machines to have a very precise control. In a report released by the Canadian Space Agency, our product has been listed as the top 3 of real-time operating system. The second thing is about safety. The Intewell operating system has been designed to meet the requirements for functional safety and the information security, and it has already earned the top level of the functional safety certification from the top Greenland in the area of medical equipment, industrial control, automobile, and subway. The most important thing is we also deliver an Intewell 𝗵𝗵𝗁 𝗕𝗿, and that allows the computer to act like a human mind. We can imagine all the computer like we use the big brain to do the intelligent job, to think in, to imagine, to do the logic work, to be powered by Linux or Windows.
Right.
And also the little brain.
Yeah.
They are mainly to do the job for motion control.
Right.
It needs agile control and be very precise.
Right.
But by our Intewell 𝗵𝗵𝗁, the Linux or Windows, the big brain, and the RTOS little brain can be run on the same CPU at the same time, and that helps a lot to reduce the cost of the hardware.
Right.
The two brain, we have the safe isolation design.
Yeah.
Each of the brain, if there any failure happens, it won't let the whole system crash. So at the same time, the two brain can cooperate and communicate seamlessly. That's a perfect combination for intelligent thinking and motion control, and it provides infinite possibility for the AI-driven scenario.
So is your robots, actually these humanoid robots, also going global? And what is your global strategy of your company?
Kyland is played a role in the supply chain of the humanoid, and we have an open mind for the global cooperation, and we have already established our overseas company for many years. So all the customers can directly buy the industrial switches and controllers from Kyland. And also they can select our Intewell OS on the mainstream CPU to have a quick start of their product to make the go-to-market time much more shorter. Our OS expert team is always ready to work side by side with customers worldwide. We can base on customers' hardware platform to customize a specific operating system solution. So finally, for an OS, ecosystem is very important. And this year, we will have a more promotion of our Intewell community much more faster. And we are looking forward all the users and developers and all the institutions to join us to the journey of the AI revolution.
All right. That is great. Thanks for sharing. And one more detailed question is, you think that your products has a bigger market in established market like America, like Europe, or it's more in the emerging market like Southeast Asia or Africa or Latin America?
To the extent of humanoid, maybe the corporate opportunity mainly focus on the developed countries because of the high cost of the human sources, and we need more automation in our factory and in our daily life. As I said, Kyland is a leading manufacturer for industrial Ethernet technology. Provides high performance industrial switches and controllers, and that is the key for the industrial infrastructure. I think this is a good product for our customers from all the world,
including the emerging market, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Thomas, for your insights. I think that is very exciting for our audience to understand. So if you want to know more about Chinese technology, and don't forget to follow us. See you next time. Bye.